Namaste, beautiful, beautiful lions. This is your medium for tarot guidance, Rupa Kanal, welcoming all the beautiful lion souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the future predictions for the month of March 2021. So beautiful lions, without ado, let's dive directly into the events which you're going to experience in the month of March 2021. The first energy is the High Priestess. So beautiful souls, the High Priestess energies are going to bless you in the month of March by connecting you strongly to the moon. So you are going to get highly influenced on full moon day and new moon day in the month of March. Also, the shine and the shape of the moon will influence you greatly in the month of March, and this could also mean that you will be strongly connected with your maternal shades, especially with your mother, and all the uncertainty in your life will be vanishing in the month of March, bringing in stability. Right, beautiful souls? So Archangel Gabriel is blessing the beautiful lion souls that there are something which you wish to know. It could be some secrets. So all that which you want to know, which you desire to know, all the secrets will be revealed in the month of March. It could be any sort of secrets which you have been excavating for a long time. So this is the time you will know everything which you desire to know, and definitely this tunes you on with your psychic faculties developing, beautiful lions. So this month of March is the month you rely on your heart instincts and on your intuitions, because they are going to work in your favor the way you want. So that is about the High Priestess, followed by the second energy, Temperance. So the month of March is completely planned for the beautiful lions from the cosmos, because out of 3 cards, 2 cards we have already got from the major arcana. This is the card number 14, Temperance. So you will learn to bring about balance between the masculine and the feminine energies encircling, flowing inside you, beautiful souls. The month of March is going to show you things which were hidden from you, right? The first card, High Priestess, also talked about the same thing, that you will be all the secrets will be revealed to you. So all the unseen will be shown to you, and some mysterious experience you're going to experience in the month of March. So you have to, however, be careful, right? Don't get too much excited. Be very careful. Be very the volatile factors resulting in successful conclusions in the month of March. And the month of March is promising harmony, partnership, and all your wishes will turn real. So this is peace after a long struggle. The beautiful lions have been struggling for a long time, and the month of March is promising you the beginning of peace in your life for a very, very long time, beautiful souls. So be ready to expose to all the hidden things. All the things which you wanted to know will be revealed to you. And the last energy I have here is the King of Swords. So this is your mental frame, and this King of Swords for the woman could be her husband, her father, or elder sibling, and for men it could be the same paternal shades. So the King of Swords is promising beautiful, beautiful lion souls that this is the time you will be guided through a mature man who could be in a high professional. It could be a doctor, engineer, or someone. So this could be related with your legal affairs, with your health issues. So you will be guided on to the right path. This could be also about any of your family members. It could be about your mother's health, because the High Priestess is connected so strongly with the mother. So definitely the advices the doctor is going to give you for her treatment, improvement is going to work. Healing is coming in the month of March for the beautiful lion souls. And these advices will calm you, will heal you definitely. So this is also promising that lions, Leos are the strongest of all the zodiac signs, so there is no space for drama. So this is implied to the beautiful females, women, so the drama will not work in the month of March. So you have to stay real, you have to be able to express your truth. Drama can bring you some kind of not good things, so stay away from the drama. That is an alarm coming from this King of Swords, beautiful souls. And you need a lot of mental stimulations in the month of March. This is again implied to most of the Lion, Leo women, because they cannot disconnect themselves from drama. So you have to disconnect yourself from drama. You have to express your true self so that you can bring about the mental simulations. So whatever you have in your heart, it should be in your mind as well, on your tongue. So that is the energy of King of Swords, beautiful souls. So the beautiful Lion ascendants, the mantra for you for the month of March is growing through sincere advices. And these advices could be coming from your maternal shades, from your mother or someone who is like your mother, or it could be your elder sibling, or it could be your mentor, right? So beautiful souls, the month of March is bringing you everything exposed, unmasked, revealed, right? Your connection with your mother, your connection with your moon is going to strengthen, and you will be able to bring about the balance in the masculine and feminine energies. And the King of Swords is bringing you greater and better advices. It could be related to your health issues or legal development or legal advices, legal documentation. So mantra is growing through sincere advices. So beautiful, beautiful Leos, the month of March is promising you so much of spectacular things coming in your life. So with the blessings of your guardian angel, Archangel Raziel, you have the ability to create, you have the ability to bring out whatever you want to. So same thing you are going to experience in the month of March. Tell me whether this particular reading resonated or not through your comments. So beautiful Leos, until next time, take good care of yourselves. Astu and Namaste.